Dr. Dinesh Harkot, on behalf of Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, welcome you all for this session of AICT sponsored short-term training program, which is organized by Department of Civil Engineering. My topic of discussion today is IoT for civil engineering. That is to explore and discuss various applications of IoT in construction engineering field. Agenda for today's session will briefly cover topics like what is IoT, IoT applications in civil engineering, IoT innovations in civil engineering, IoT advantages for civil engineering. We will cover each one by one. With the fourth industrial revolution, that is Industry 4.0 in full swing, technology advances means that new, smarter, safer, and better ways have come to market to plan, build, and operate assets. Internet of Things, or is popularly known as IoT, is creating a lot of buzz in the market that we live in today. The Internet of Things is pitched as one of those technology advances, but it is something that has actually been around for almost 2 decades. The IoT is the interconnection of physical gadgets, vehicles, home machines. It comprises things that have unique identities and are connected to the internet. It includes various things implanted with science, programming, sensors, actuators, and properties. IoT can be called as a connection of devices through the internet with an objective to control one device from another, which may be at a distance. The focus of an IoT is in the configuration, control, and networking via internet. As the Internet of Things becomes smarter and more advanced, its usage grows across various industries. That is from retail and commerce to manufacturing. Technology continues to do some pretty amazing things in nearly every sector. Even the civil engineering field is no exception. The scope of IoT is not limited to just connecting things to the internet. It also allows things to communicate and exchange data. Processing on this data will provide us various applications towards a common user or machine code. An estimated 20 billion internet connected devices will be active around the world by 2021. Adoption is certainly ramping up, and the technology that supports IoT are also growing more sophisticated, including big data, cloud computing, and machine learning. As a whole, civil engineering projects have a lot to gain from the integration of IoT technologies. The technology significantly improves automation and remote monitoring for many tasks, allowing operators to remain hands-off more than ever before. IoT, alongside many other innovative construction technologies, will completely transform the industry. Internet of Things is a vast network with connected devices, which gather and exchange data. It is all done with using sensors. These sensors in construction consistently emit data about working state of the devices. IoT basically provides a common platform for all these devices to unload their data. The collected data is integrated from various sources. Further analytics is performed and the valuable information is retrieved as per the requirement. Use of sensors in construction industry and artificial intelligence is helping make job at construction site more effective and efficient. It is projected that artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things can reduce building costs up to 20%. IoT is significantly enhancing the construction industry by improving safety and efficiency with smart technology. On construction site, sensors have the prominent task of monitoring avoidable problems, optimizing assets, and enhancing management. In addition, on-site workers can also benefit from wearable accessories for their safety. The various types of sensors used in construction industry are heat sensor, the sound sensor, smoke sensor, IR sensor, light sensor, fire sensor, seismic sensors, and many more. The possibility of IoT are immense and are not limited to our home or office, but everywhere else. Come to think of it, even a construction site is no stranger to this technology, and its application is used in a wider way than expected. Civil engineering industry has a historical record of productivity problem. Most of the projects run overtime as well as over budget. Thus, this sector is relatively slow than others at adopting to modern changes. And as it costs company at least hundreds of thousands, if not millions. Research say the large projects are taking up to 20% longer to finish than scheduled and running up to 80% of over budget. Is there any way to change the scenario? Other industries like manufacturing have already switched to the Internet of Things and many other latest technology to help uncover productivity growth. These industries have seen an increase in efficiency, productivity, reduction in downtime, and budget. So why not we could do something similar with IoT in the construction industry? As we are aware that construction is one of the most under-digitized industry in the world and is comparatively slow in adopting new technology. The construction industry is bringing real-time information into process that are centuries old. Internet of Things devices and sensors are collecting job site data is a more affordable, efficient, and effective way than previously imaginable. While the construction industry is changing at a glacial pace, construction companies who are adopting technology to successfully address common workplace concerns and streamline processes are benefiting from increased efficiency and improved responsiveness to the increased demand of the industry. Typically, productivity, maintenance, and security and safety appears to be the leading driver of IoT adoption in the construction industry. We'll first see the productivity. Construction sector is conditioned by deadlines and targets. It is mandatory to avoid backlogs because they result in budget increase. IoT can enable more readiness and efficiency, thus improving the productivity. IoT leaves people with less manual work and instead they are allocated more time to interact with project owners and amongst themselves, resulting in generating new ideas to improve project delivery and consumer satisfaction. Construction requires an adequate supply of material to ensure the smoothness of the project. However, the late supply of material often occurs at the site due to poor scheduling caused by human error. Through IoT, the supply unit is fitted with a suitable sensor. It is possible to automatically determine quantity and make automatic order or raise alarms. As far as maintenance is concerned, power and fuel consumption will result in wastage if not actively managed, and that will impact the overall cost of the project. Through the availability of real-time information, it becomes possible to know the status of every asset, schedule maintenance stop or refueling, and turn off the idle equipment. Further, field sensors help to prevent problem from happening, which reduce the warranty claims, helping the bottom line and keeping customer happy. Beyond notification for decreasing costs, sensors can use to monitor material condition like the suitability of temperature, humidity of the item or the environment, handling issues, damage and expiration. Equipment suppliers have had to evolve from just being supplier to partners who continuously monitor and maintain equipment, leaving clients to focus on their core business. And as far as security and safety is concerned, some of the biggest challenges encountered on construction job sites are theft and safety. Human security agents are not adequate to monitor a huge site properly. Using IoT-enabled tags, any material or theft of the item is easily resolved, as these sensors will notify the current location of material or item. It is no longer necessary to send a human agent out to check out everything. IoT allows for creation of a digital real-time job site map together with updated risk associated with the works and notifies every worker when getting closer to any risk or entering in a dangerous environment. For example, monitoring the air quality in an enclosed space is critical for workplace safety. IoT technologies will not only prevent staff from being exposed to dangerous conditions, but can also detect those conditions before or as they happen. With real-time IoT data, workers are empowered to be more predictive about job site issues and prevent situations that could lead to safety incidents and lost time. Handling equipment and machinery for too long may cause workers to experience a fatigue, which in turn disturbs their concentration and productivity. IoT makes it possible to monitor signs of distress like abnormal pulse rates, elevation, and user location. Some of the major noticeable innovation in IoT from civil engineering perspective, which will definitely seems to be lucrative to adopt, are machine control, site monitoring, fleet management, and variables. We will see one by one. The first innovation is machine control. This is the first move towards the construction identical to self-driving cars. How it works? Using a number of measurement technologies such as LiDAR, that is light detection and ranging, GNSS, that is global navigation satellite system, machine control, which is also called as machine guided construction, automatically modifies heavy equipment to set, cover, or bunch large areas. Who is using this technology? Heavy civil construction is likely to be the largest user of machine control at the moment. But with the technology growth, it will find more integration with other projects also. IoT advantages not only are the machine control, but their success, developments, and status are traced in real time. This connectivity can be utilized to design and correlate other field activities, which with increasing efficiency and minimizing delays. Other innovation is site monitoring. Site monitoring refers to utilizing an array of sensors to continuously track on-site conditions. How it works? To form use of site monitoring, general contractors must buy sensors and locate them on their site. Once the sensors are in location, they constantly gather, describe, and monitor data for whatever site conditions they are planning to measure. Who is using this? Site monitoring sensors are firstly utilized to analyze included areas in vertical construction, such as building and things. Though concrete sensors are increasingly common in horizontal construction, which generally refers to a roadway and sidewalk, etc. IoT advantage. A site will never be fully IoT empowered without sensors that measures input like humidity, temperature, noise, and vibration. Once these are in place, construction firms will be able to halt accidents and violations by continually monitoring their sites for security and compliance. The third innovation is fleet management. By tracking vehicles as well as equipment automatically, fleet management can greatly enhance productivity. How this system works. Fleet management simplifies equipment tracking by automatically reporting a number of factors that involves location, speed, maintenance requirement, and fuel utilization to a central database. Who is using this system? This technology is probably one of the more widely acquired IoT solutions. Mostly the one with weighty equipment utilize it in some form. The IoT advantage. Controlling even a small fleet of machinery that requires extreme attention in detail, the more it can be automated, the less probability there is for error and the easier you can identify the waste. It also improves security by staying an eye on the driving of your operators. The fourth and most noticeable innovation is wearable. IoT makes wearable smart. Ability to install sensors on any machine or object to monitor performance level, operating condition, physical state, or other data through connectivity is what drives the IoT. When an inanimate object can be connected to the internet, they enable new capabilities. A wearable is any item that can be put on a body to provide additional information to the user through connectivity. One such example of wearable is the head-up display provide on smart glasses connected to augmented reality, virtual reality, or mixed reality technology like Google Glass or Microsoft HoloLens. These technologies are currently being applied to planning and modeling. Smart glasses can be used to mock up a complete suite floor with all the furnishing in it. That mock-up can be peeled back layer by layer to study and plan the details of work behind the walls. Clients are also able to use the smart glasses for sales so that residents get an immersive view of what their new facility feels and look like. Employees are also empowered on and off the job site since through connected smart glasses, they can view work instructions while performing specific tasks, potentially improving their performance. Wearable tech covers a number of innovations, but one of the largest area it is modifying is safety. How it works. As the name involved, wearable tech is a device that you wear on your person. These involve smart watches, augmented reality goggles, smart helmets, and a range of other applications. These devices analyze personal data and describe it wirelessly. Who is using this? Many tech-forward establishments have acquired wearables for augmented reality and for security. The IoT advantage. Wearable tech probably has the vast range of advantages, but from purely IoT views, its biggest benefit comes from the labor tracking and security. Wearables can give you an automatic inventory, convey you who is working where, mark risk, and send real-time security alerts site-wise. I have picked up three small video teasers from YouTube, which I think worth sharing with you all in this session. Please have a look at it to know how IoT has penetrated in the civil engineering domain. Now we will discuss the application of IoT in civil engineering. Though the list of applications of IoT in civil engineering is too large, looking at time constraint, here we will cover some of the prominent applications which are worth discussing. One such application is transformation from reactionary to preventive maintenance. Most maintenance programs are corrective or reactionary in nature. That is, when something breaks down or fails, the team act to fix the problem. In reality, this practice is not efficient. With development projects, once things starts to break down, they generally continue on that path. Problem grows much more prominent no matter what fixes you apply. It makes more sense than to monitor a subject's performance and status and apply fixes long before things break down. In other words, using a preventive maintenance routine is much more practical, efficient, and reliable. IoT devices and sensors deliver all the necessary data to make such a process possible. They collect information about the subject in real time and then report it to an external system or analytic program. That program then identifies potential error and communicate the necessary information to a maintenance crew. In any field of construction, preventive maintenance considerably improves the project in question, as well as the entire management process. Maintenance management typically comprises about 40 to 50% of business operational budget. Companies spends much more of the time in reacting to the maintenance issue rather than preventing them. IoT can turn that around. Next application could be the concrete curing. Another exciting trend shaking up the construction industry involves the application of IoT in concrete curing. Here, sensors are embedded in concrete during casting, and they follows curing of concrete in real time, allowing the construction manager to monitor and plan their schedule with certainty. An accurate inside estimation of the comprehensive strength of the concrete provides the opportunity to optimize critical construction operation such as formwork removal time, opening a bridge or road to traffic, pre-stress cable tensioning time, and optimization of concrete mix design. One of the major issues during construction is managing labor and homework cost. Knowing the maturity of concrete can make the difference between the profitability and loss as it allows scheduling and cycling of homework and optimization of labor. The third application is construction tool or equipments tagging and tracking. Tagging and tracking material with RFID tags reduces the cost incurred by the businesses for lost or misrouted items. It also gives manager visibility over their operation to ensure all equipment is accounted for and that there is no wasted time spent looking for a particular item. If you have a heavy expensive machines and don't know where it is, you are wasting money. Tagging and tracing let you know where it is so you can make sure it does not sit idle. It will help reduce the time lost looking for misled item as well as the cost of purchasing the replacements. GPS data is already being used to monitor vehicle fleet locations. It also allows excavating or landscaping equipment to be precisely positioned on a terrain, then automatically carry out instructions using a virtual map of the digging, cutting, and other terrain modification to be made. The next application is energy conservation. Among the largest financial effects that IoT technology will have on building business is the capability to put sensors on vehicles to trace and reduce gas and power utilization. If a construction firm wishes to minimize the cost of electricity and gas in work sites, they will have to place a detector on gear so that they can analyze gas utilization on vehicle and after hour lighting could be corrected for energy saving. The IoT enabled sites can send back information on the amount of electrical power they use so that after hour lighting can be adjusted for energy saving. Machines can send back information on idle timing which uses fuel so that on and off period can be adjusted without penalizing project to the time needed to restart machine. IoT has potential to significantly reduce energy usage and it could all start before the structure is even built. Tracking lighting as well as HVAC usage on site eliminates wasted energy cost construction companies incur. Next is equipment servicing and repairs. Sensors in machine allows them to transmit information about their status and any need for service or repairs. Fixing machines before they break makes more sense than waiting for failure, which by Murphy's law is all too likely to happen just at the wrong time. Next is monitoring on-site safety of the workers. One in every five worker death is in construction industry. Hence, ensuring workers' safety is crucial. Sensors used in biometric wearables can monitor workers' heart rate, temperature, and other conditions as well as alert safety managers in case of any mishap. Sensors in construction industry also helps to track workers in the field to keep them safe from the job site hazards and different injury risks. With the help of artificial intelligence, an algorithm is developed that assess photos from the job site, scan them for safety hazards such as workers not wearing safety gears, and compare the images with its previous accident records. If there is any emergency on site, contractor can track workers on site immediately and call for the help to emergency responder by using IoT. Sensor can provide data on certain environmental conditions such as humidity spikes, weather, water infiltration, and temperature changes to protect inactive elements on the construction site. The next application is remote operation. If you can loop or hook up a machine to the web either with a physical or wireless connection, you can give it instruction remotely. It can operate alone in an area that would be hazardous to human because of the pollution. Similarly, wearable computer like Google Glasses can help worker on-site access instruction manuals in hand-free mode or benefit from remote supports that sees what they see. Next application, remote usage monitoring. For equipment used by workers, whether power drills or articulated earth movers, IoT means construction or can be logged automatically. Limits can be monitored to prevent worker fatigues and possible accidents. Wearable computing in the form of wristband can also monitor driver health and alertness. Action can be taken if the limit are in danger of being exceeded. Next application is supply replenishment. When units of supply are labeled with RFID tags, the system on site can count them. When the count drops below a given level, it is reorder level, the system can trigger a request from a central system to order more. Idle time goes down and projects have better chance to be completed on time. Costs are also contained because construction company does not need to buy significantly more supplies than it is likely to use at any time. Instead, just-in-time provision becomes possible automatically because of the RFID tags. The next application is tracking labor hours and location. At a construction site, multiple subcontractors works on anything from HVAC system to glass works to plumbing works and so on. If the final contractor gets a bill of 6,000 man hours of plumbing work, they usually won't be ready to cross-check if that requirement is correct or incorrect. And since multiple contracts with sub are expensive, there is not sufficient incentive. Once the contractor applies labor trailing with a reduced trailing back, he will then cross-check and verify all labor hours. Hence, with the use of IoT on construction site, accurate tracking of labor hours get easier. The last application which we are discussing here is waste management. Waste management is a fundamental and compulsory consideration on the excellent building site, particularly these days, given the expanded concern on carbon footprint of the construction process. It is likewise urgent to promptly clean junk on the place of work and to make space lessen dangerous. Refuse level must restrict and expel inside a specific time. Legitimate waste transfer approaches additionally must be implemented. Checking waste transfer container or vehicle in a savvy way is presently conceivable through IoT trackers. Inability to deal with waste appropriately may bring about punishments for the contractual worker from experts. IoT is an additionally utilized in essential well-being observing to identify vibrations, splits, and the state of necessary structure, individuals, and common structures during and after development. These are some of the applications that IoT extend in civil engineering, which will definitely improve the overall efficiency of the entire project. Here is another video teaser. Please have a look.
Working in construction, there really is nothing like walking down the street and seeing a building project that you had a hand in contributing to come to life. My name is Allison Scott. I am the head of construction integrated marketing at Autodesk. That means I support the business strategy and the marketing team with identifying and investigating how technology is going to be impacting our construction customers on their job sites every day. One of my first memories is working with my dad on a deck project. While my dad was working on the deck, I found myself building my own tower with open lumber and creating just a mess. But I loved the whole notion of putting something together. I always had a passion for technology. It's something that's been innate in the way I've grown up. When I saw the convergence of technology and the built environment beginning to occur in the architecture and design field, and then by default construction, it was something that I was just naturally drawn to. The Internet of Things, also called IoT, is a blanket term that encompasses a vast array of web-enabled smart devices. These devices, they're sensing environmental pressures or temperatures or even biometric changes in our bodies. These sensors are also connected to the internet. So not only can they capture a whole bunch of data, but they can talk to each other and they can give us insights about what to do next. Just like the smartwatch senses your daily activities and gives you insights into when you should walk, meditate, or drink glass of water, IoT on construction sites are also identifying risks before they happen. This could be anything from poor air quality on a floor to a worker getting too close to a piece of equipment. It can potentially increase safety. One of the ways it can do that is by using presence detection to understand and indicate exactly where individual workers are, or where materials are, or where equipment is. And the notion here is that we could increase individual environmental awareness. If you are a construction worker walking through a construction site and you get alerted that a piece of equipment or a truck is about to drive by, you're going to adjust your movements for that moment. These kinds of insights are extremely powerful for the individual worker to keep them out of harm's way. It's also extremely powerful for a general superintendent or a safety director so that they can have better visibility into their job sites for that day. Industrial IoT for the construction site is growing rapidly. There has been an increased interest and enthusiasm just to get more data onto the site, but data alone isn't enough. We also need really actionable information. In order to get actionable information, we also need more sensors on the site. So that means things like sensors embedded in materials or intelligent tools telling us how a drill bit is performing. Concrete sensors, you actually embed concrete sensors into the concrete pour process so you can understand and predict a higher quality of the curing and drying process, which can ultimately compress the schedule. Think about the problems that you're trying to solve every day on a construction site. Would having more visibility into what your workers are doing or the work that was done for the day be helpful to you? All of those things right now require a lot of time and energy from the human experience to understand, walk around the job site, and translate. Those things can be reduced, the time can be reduced, and the impact can be reduced if we have more data at our fingertips. In the future, not only will IoT devices be used on the construction site, but they'll be used throughout the building operations to give us continued insights on how that building is performing. There's so much opportunity for IoT to support construction safety, quality, efficiency, productivity, and sustainability.
Now we will discuss some of the major advantages of the IoT for civil engineering. IoT is included in how we plan structures, evaluate and submit construction projects, build them and control them. Here we will discuss some of the major area of impact and advantages that IoT has in the civil engineering domain. First is building information modeling and digital twins. Building information modeling is the first step. IoT is influencing construction from the first step of generating a design. Smart design with 3D modeling does much more than improve efficiency and precision with the design. Upgrading of plan occurs in real time. This resolves the problem of lag time between an updated and distribution of new data to a job site. This saves important time and resources, applying new design elements instantly. But BIM is even more developed and useful, well beyond the design and building phase. Beyond structure is in use, BIM can also provide useful modeling for building managers such as pattern in energy utilization. Many new buildings have IoT sensors located that analyze an array of building systems. Data is gathered and monitored regularly. This allows building manager to strategically handle operations, increase energy efficiency, expect a particular pattern or trend, and optimize the ability of buildings, heating and cooling system, water supply, safety and security, access, and etc. The next advantage is greener building. Even though 87% of the consumers are motivated to make green choices, market research data state that only 33% actively make green purchases. Cost and convenience are the two main reasons that are not matched with consumer desire. When it comes to a big budget construction project, green building uses are important selling points. IoT makes it possible to distribute what the public want. Environmental development has resulted in difficulty of interest in greener building practice. Engineering with IoT advantage means designing a smart building that identifies when it is inhabited. The systems that are not essential will shut down automatically, preserving energy and natural resources. Intelligent window outline feature smarter operation than a simple remote control or timer operated window blinds. When IoT connects with window treatments, outcome is a system that can notice natural lighting or temperature parameters, closing doors automatically to preserve energy when things start heating up. The third advantage is smart prefabs. Integrating prefabricated components in a building project is a lucrative strategy that also contributes to a rapid completion time. Usually, a large, complex structures were hard to correlate as prefab projects, creating these advantages out of reach for many commercial projects. IoT has provided a solution over this. The RFID sensors make it possible to record prefab components through every step of the supply chain. This makes it logistically possible to correlate a complete prefab structure despite of the size and scope of the project. Intelligent prefab reduce job site delays and allows greater projects control with real-time possibility for design adoption at any phase of the building project. Next advantage is management and administration. As far as construction industry is concerned, wasted time can be cause huge harm. With new technology, IoT saves time as well as money, and it also helps in saving downtime of the costly equipments. Sensors on heavy equipment empower for remote monitoring, which is an additional point for security, maintenance, and deployment. A company can realize when a sensor detects vibration or temperature variation. An abnormal development pattern can aware a company to the possibility of theft. Knowing precisely where an asset is in real time or whether it is sitting idle or in use increases deployment efficiency of an asset. Every individual tool or piece of machinery can become a smarter tool. Embedded sensors warn operator when a repair is required. In fact, the tool can actually be smart enough now to schedule its own service appointment. Next advantage is cloud connection. Many new buildings now are connected to cloud. Consider just two advantages of a smart building connected to the cloud. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system reserve time as well as money, operating automatically. Building management can monitor data to adjust and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, programming that can create huge saving where energy costs are concerned. Foundations provided with sensors are systematically reporting to manager about the quality of building structural integrity. The foundation is carrying the load that can be continuously analyzed, helping building managers and construction project managers in preventing expensive and hazardous structural failure. The last advantage which is extended by the IoT is smarter exteriors. Exterior space of building projects have IoT capabilities as well. Commercial buildings have garage, parking plot, other public spaces. All of this area requires lighting. Why install a traditional street light or exterior light when smart lighting does more than just improve security with illustration? Smarter exterior lighting systems are attainable that are filled with sensors connected to IoT. Light self-regulate as per the data collected. Whatever the season or weather, time of the day, lighting is automatically working at the optimum energy efficiency. Some cities that have adopted a smarter exterior lighting system have reported as much as 40% saving on energy cost. Please also have a look at this small video. This is a humble attempt to cover the state-of-art development in the domain of IoT from civil engineering perspective. I don't possess any expertise in civil engineering as such. I have simply discussed the probable application of IoT, which will definitely enhance efficiency and productivity. Thank you for listening to me till end and spending your valuable time with me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Dear participants, this was one of the small effort we have taken that nowadays the technology is now touching to the every age of the life. So here in civil engineering also, there are new few technologies are there, and one of them is IoT. So here just it is one of the smart effort that we could help all of you to look towards that. This IoT we can also use for analysis of the performance of the buildings. So nowadays there are various sensors are there. So when we talk about the analysis of the building, so there we are dealing with the homogeneity of the concrete, then temperature stresses in the concrete, then strain in the concrete. Similarly, the stress and strain in the steel, and then other material which we are providing in the building. So in the building structure also, nowadays we can involve some of the sensors, and that data from that sensors can be continuously collected and monitored using Wi-Fi technology, and all this integration can be referred in the IoT. So based on this data, real-time data collected from these sensors, with the help of IoT, we can also understand the behavior of the structure. So in many of the renowned bridges, now this type of sensors are now deployed, and then it was getting continuously monitored with the 24/7 satellite control system, and that way, so we could have we can enhance the performance of the construction site in many respects. So it was one of the small effort. So Dr. DJ Harkut with us now, because of his busy schedule, he was not available actually in this meeting. But if you are having a few questions about this, then you can directly type in the chat box, or then we will now stop for the day. Today again there is one important session. Two important sessions are there. One is by LM Gupta sir and another is by Putul Haldar ma'am. So they are also have done wonderful work regarding this computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. And of course, there is hands-on also. Now in remaining 2 days, more focus will be on hands-on regarding the computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. So software-based intelligence, that also we will understand in the forthcoming 2 days, remaining 2 days of this STDP. So that's all from my side. Kalyani madam, you want to say something? You raise your hand.
This session is very nice and it is very advantageous for further research in this topic.
Yes. There are too many opportunities for civil engineer to just pick up the one of the application of the IoT, and we can go for the research there also. Altaf Sheikh sir, you want to say something? Please unmute yourself. So thank you guys. Thanks for the day, for patience listening to this STDP session. So before leaving this meeting, if anybody is remaining, then you can drop their mobile number for attendance purpose here. And now today we will stop here for the day, and tomorrow morning at 9:30 again we will meet with the new wonderful session on the steel structure. It is again on the steel structure, and then 2 sessions by Dr. Putul Haldar madam from IIT Ropar. So they are also very interesting, and last session was again on the hands-on and ETAB. And on Saturday, it will be a very interactive session on that, because it was the last day. There are 2 interactive sessions, and there also all of you we have to interact with each other, and then we will have validity on the last day of this STDP. So thank you once again for being with us for this STDP, and after 2-3 minutes I will end this session here. Thank you.